Hello, I'm going to demonstrate here how I install Ubuntu 1904 on a Lenovo laptop running Windows 10 Professional using the Quick Create selection under Hyper-V. So I'll click Quick Create, and I'm going to choose Ubuntu 1904, Create Machine, and I'll pause the video during this lengthy downloading process. The virtual machine was created successfully. I'll click on Connect, Start, and I'm waiting for the opening screen to show up here. So there's some more setup to do. I have to configure that system. So the language is going to be English. The keyboard is going to be standard English. Los Angeles is the proper time zone. And I'll create my user account. And click Continue. And this is a great feature. You can change the desktop resolution by moving a slider. And here we go. I'm going to skip this screen. I don't want to send information to Canonical at this time. I don't want people to know where I am. I'm ready to go, so they say. And to test that, I'm going to launch Firefox. I don't want an email account set up. I don't need this as well. I'm going to start a new tab. I've authenticated. And here we are at the Linux page. So that's it, the installation of Ubuntu 1904 on a Windows 10 machine using Hyper-V.